Hello and a very warm welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I want to talk about real estate on the beautiful Silver Coast in Portugal, a stretch of coastal area of 240 kilometers between Lisbon and Porto. Now unfortunately, as with many areas of Portugal, prices are on the rise. They've risen quite a bit over the last few years, and it's really difficult to get a bargain here. But I just wanted to show you some property in certain towns and cities here where you can still get decent value. The first place I want to talk about is Peniche, and I think this is quite a lovely area, a nice town in on the Silver Coast. It has long, beautiful beaches, lots of outdoor water sports, and a beautiful little fortress as well. It's got a population of 15,000, and on average property prices are around 2,000 euros per square meter, which isn't cheap. But I found these two properties here which do have ocean views, or call it seafront views. So the first one here is a 2-bedroom flat on the ground floor for 225,000 euros and a reasonable size. So it's 115 square meters or 117 square meters of built up area, 2 bathrooms, 2 bedrooms, and right in front of the beach. So this is very, very good value for money. Now the whole building does have a lift, but it's irrelevant for this particular apartment. Let's have a look inside. So you've got a nice living room there, and again a nice fireplace, kitchen, so a very good size eating kitchen for sure. There's the hallway, and it's got 2 nice bedrooms. There's the bathroom. It's actually got 2 bathrooms, so 2 bedrooms, that's the second bathroom, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a nice balcony there, and the balcony has a sea view, so that's the main selling point. And it's pretty good actually, because it's just under 2,000 euros per square meter. So again, I think on the Silver Coast, if you do look quite carefully, you can find some decent property. Now the second one I want to show you is a 3-bedroom apartment. So I believe it's got 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a garage as well. So very important, good parking space for 250,000 euros. So it's a bit more on the expensive side, but as I've said, it's got 2 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a good views as well. So let's have a look. There's a 1 bedroom, living room, a bathroom there, and a nice kitchen. So good eating kitchen. And there's the selling point. So it's got the balcony, long balcony with a sea view. Upstairs to another bedroom, and then again the views. So magnificent views. I believe that's the second bathroom, and it does repeat a lot of the pictures. So I'll quickly just go through the pictures because they are repeated, but it gives you a good idea. As the parking space, there's the main selling point. The views are very, very good, and it is an excellent size property, let's be honest, even though 250,000 euros isn't amazingly cheap. But when you get sea views, well, you can't really complain too much. And there's the terrace again. So lots of space, good apartment, and reasonably priced. Now other areas of the Silver Coast are quite expensive. So let's say, I know a lot of you have heard of Nazaré. That's around 2,500 euros per square meter. I didn't manage to find too much there. The next place I want to talk about is Figuera Da Foss, where property prices are on average about 2,000 euros per square meter. It's got a population quite big, 62,000, and the beach is located close to the town centre. Very, very useful. Good surfing, nice restaurants and cafes. So nice place, I have to say. And I found a 2-bedroom apartment on the ocean front for 185,000 euros. So that is quite cheap. So and it's got 2 bathrooms actually, so 2 bed, 2 bath, cannot complain. Let's have a look on the map. I think it's not too far. There you go, that's where it is approximately. So in a very, very good position on the Silver Coast. So let's have a look inside. There's a photo with the sea view, a kitchen, a living room, kitchen again, living room, and there's quite a few pictures of the living room. That's the main selling point. Ocean front, sea views, bathroom, possibly needs a little bit of updating. Bedroom, so you do a little bit of work on this. Corridor, bedroom, bedroom again, photo, and I think the place could do with a lick of paint, but it's very, very good value for money considering the views. Now, I also want to talk about another place, Aveiro, which look, I'm sure most of you have heard of. I might do a separate video on this because this really is a beautiful place. It's the Venice of Portugal, beautiful historical buildings and architecture, so a lovely place. 80,000 people, so a reasonable size city, and it's the most, I think, most north city on the Silver Coast. And I've said I think I'm going to do a video on this. Now, an average property here is about €2,500 per square meter, which again isn't really cheap, but for the place isn't terrible. I've just wanted to quickly show you one apartment I found, and it's a 90 square meter, I think it's 78 square meters, 90 square meter built apartment. So it's got 1 bathroom, 2 bedroom. It's on the 3rd floor with a lift, close, I believe, to actually in the town centre, in the historical town centre. So good value for money. Let's have a look. There's the kitchen, so eat-in kitchen. There's a terrace. There are the views, which are not too bad. Kitchen again. And I just want to quickly go through this because there is no furniture, but the bedrooms are of a reasonable size. Again, parking space, always useful. And quite a nice place considering it's well under €200,000 in the city centre. But as I've said, I might do a separate video on this place. Now, just to emphasize that places can be very expensive, so the next place I want to talk about is Sao Martin Do Porto, which on average prices are nearer to €3,000 per square meter. But it's a beautiful small town, quite nice. So I think this could be a nice place to buy property. And I think if you look carefully, even though a lot of property here is expensive, it's amazing that you can find some still decent bargains, like this 2nd floor apartment with a lift for €215,000 and a very good size, so 96 square meters of floor area, 120 square meters of built area, 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and it's got air conditioning as well. So let's have a quick look inside. There's the terrace, so very nice long terrace. It's got a swimming pool on site. There's the kitchen, living room, huge living room, corridor again, bedroom, corridor, bedroom. So nice place. That's the bathroom, and again the parking space, always useful. And let's quickly show you another one. I wanted to show you a terraced house here as well, for €289,950. So 170 square meter built house, which is very big, 3 bathrooms and a land plot of 170 square meters. So let's quickly look through this house too. It's a terraced house. There's the staircase, living room, good size, beautiful terrace, love the terrace, living room, kitchen, bathroom, upstairs to a bedroom, some nice far-reaching views. There's another big bedroom, swimming pool area, bathroom. There's some more details, the living room again. So, and the bathroom. So pretty good value for money. Sorry, I'm going very fast, but I just want to give you an idea of the place. And there's a communal swimming pool, as I've said, and it's a big terraced house. So it's an expensive place. However, you can get decent value for money if you look hard enough. Now, the last place I want to show you is a place I've covered before. I covered this in my last video on Portugal, and I think here it is absolutely outstanding value for money. Marina Grande, where you are looking at around €1,200 per square meter. It's got a population of 32,000, so perfectly big enough. And this is a third floor apartment with a lift and a garage as well. 150 square meters, so absolutely very, very big in total. So let's have a look. It's got 3 bathrooms, so 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, only 170,000 euros. That is incredible value for money. And I've actually shown houses in the previous videos. Please do check out my other video I did on seaside homes in Portugal. It does cover Marina Grande in much better detail. There's the living room. Again, that's a bedroom, I believe. Now, it is bare, so the bedrooms here are pretty bare, but you're getting an idea what you can do. A kitchen is a very, very good size. Kitchen again, room, photo, bathroom, another bathroom, so another room there. Another small bathroom, terrace, another room. There's the terrace. So a very big terrace, that's the actual building. Parking space, excellent value for money, and really just over 1,000 euros per square meter. That is incredible value. So in a place like Marina Grande, you can get really good value for money, and I think potentially this could be the best place to buy property on the Silver Coast. Although even if you look in other areas, you can find good value for money. You could look in Óbidos. It's a bit more inland, but there it's also 2,000 euros per square meter. And as I've said, there are places like Aveiro as well, which I may cover along with Aveiro in another video. But in Aveiro, property is also only about 1,500 euros per square meter. But would I buy here as an investment? Probably not. I think it's really more of a lifestyle purchase now in this part of Portugal, although it is a lovely part of Portugal to live, to retire, to work as a digital nomad. Anyway, that's it for today. Thanks ever so much for watching this video, and I shall see you soon on the next.